Hi, I'm Melissa Amo. I'm a real estate agent with RE/MAX. I've been in the business for over 20 years and I sell real estate in Toronto. I absolutely love what I do. What brings me the most joy about RE/MAX is the brand power that RE/MAX provides. I have the backup of a global brand. My early assumptions working with Staples, I assumed that I would just be assigned to a printing department and that's it. Being assigned to an account manager, Emerson, the one-on-one relationship has definitely made me feel special and in good hands.
My name is Emerson de Oliveira. I'm a account manager, B2B at Staples. What I love about work at Staples is the freedom that I have to create and bring ideas to the table all the time.
Emerson does go the extra mile to make sure that my product is exactly the way it's supposed to be.
RE/MAX would like to have someone to take care of their brand.
Some of the ways Staples helped me achieve my goals is delivering a high quality product. Every client who touches my material, they always comment. When I interview for new business, those flyers, those feature sheets are part of my package that I leave behind for clients. And I have one business because of that.
When the agents and the realtors come to me asking questions about what they need, sometimes they don't know what they need. And it's my role to show them.
I hand over all my products that need printing. I hand it over and it's done. I don't have the time or energy to deal with the management of printing and dealing with that side of the business.
Go to the Staples guy. This is how they call me sometimes.
Partnership with Staples is an excellent business strategy to recommend to your company and your staff.
We have this portfolio, we have those kind of products, we have these kind of materials. We can put all together the final solution for you.
The price, the quality, the service is completely unmatched. I'm so happy that RE/MAX has a partnership with Staples. And in fact, I would question transferring brokerages, companies, because of this partnership. It saves me thousands of dollars per year. You're in good hands and you'll have great products delivered to your customer base.
Hey, Staples guy, can you have a price for this? Hey, Staples guy, can you do this for me? So sometimes it happens like this.